spool cover has two locks, here and here. Push both of them together and carefully hold cover, because there is spring inside. Then remove old line and reinstall spool and cover. There are two marks here, triangles. Turn them up like this. There is a line in mark. Insert new line here. It goes through the spool and comes out here. And make sure that both ends of the line are the same length. And now turn them up clockwise. Kobalt requires to use 0.08 line up to 13 feet. And here is the easiest way to measure 13 feet in length. Manual recommends to leave 5-inch ends of the line. And there is a small blade here. So I can probably click it one more time. Like this. Okay, now it's good enough. When the line is too short and you want to adjust it, just push the knob and turn it counterclockwise. Oops, so the problem here? Oh, okay. And pull it out every time.